Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to use my digital planner in Goodnotes. This digital planner is one that I created, and I've also made a tutorial for it, and I'll leave it in the description. This particular planner was specifically designed to be used in note-taking apps such as Goodnotes or Notability. In this video, I will be using Goodnotes. Digital planners could technically be printed because they are PDF files, but I specifically designed this one to be used in a note-taking app. I do have another digital planner that I created that would be more suitable for printing if a person decided to print it. So I created this digital planner in Canva, and I downloaded it as a PDF. Once I downloaded the PDF, I emailed it to myself and imported it into Goodnotes. So you download the PDF and import or open it in whichever note-taking app you're using. So when you import your PDF file, it automatically opens to the first page, which is my cover. To get to the second page in the planner, you can just swipe to the left. You can also head to this icon here to navigate to any of the other pages within the document. So page 2 is our yearly or dashboard page. And so on the left-hand side, it says this planner belongs to, and there's space to put your name and your info. And then on the right-hand side, there's mini calendars where you can write in the date or color code different events or appointments for the year. And also on this page, and all the other pages hereafter, are the tabs. So here's that left-hand side of the page. And here's the right-hand side and our tabs. So in order to write in your digital planner, you can select the pen tool. And right here, you can adjust the size of the pen. To color code appointments or events, you can use the highlighter. And again, right here, you can change the size of the highlighter. And then you can just mark in where those different events or appointments are throughout the year. If you happen to make a mistake and need to move anything, you can use the lasso tool. You just make a circle around the item that you want to move. Then you can tap with the pencil and move it around. You can also press and hold, and then it gives you more options. These small calendars take you to the full month page by tapping on the name of the month. And in order to do that, we need to switch modes. You want to head up here and click this icon. So now we're able to click the hyperlinks with our Apple Pencil. And when I tap on January, it's going to take me to the full January month page. So since I'm in the mode where I can use hyperlinks, I'm going to show you the tabs. So all of the tabs are hyperlinked. If you tap on this first tab, for instance, it takes you back to the cover page. If you tap on the year tab, it takes you back to this yearly dashboard page. If I tap on the January tab, it takes me to the full January month. And it does that for all of the other months as well. This tab down here at the bottom takes you to the notes page. So here in this digital planner, I included a lined page, a blank page, which that's where this blank tab leads to. So if you tap on the blank tab, it takes you to the blank notes page. And then in order to get to the next page, you just have to swipe to the left. I didn't want to add a hyperlink to this next page because I kind of wanted it to be like a hidden page. And here's that weekly page. And I'll show you that weekly page a little bit more in a moment. So here we are in the monthly page. So I designed this planner to be a 2-page spread. So it looks like a physical planner if you were to open it. And it has the month name up in the top left and the full month calendar split across the 2 pages. On the left-hand side, it has Sunday through Wednesday, and on the right-hand side, it has Thursday through Saturday. And on the far right side of the right-hand page, it has a spot where you can put tasks that you need to complete for this month, as well as a space where you can put things you need to do for the following month. So on this monthly page, the squares are large, allowing you to add a lot of different things within them. And then each month after that has the same design. So now I'm going to show you the weekly page. And so what I'm going to do is click on the blank tab, which will take me to that blank page, which is the page before the weekly page. And I'm just going to swipe to the left to get me to that weekly page. And so with this page, I basically kind of wrote some ways that you can fill out this weekly page to kind of give you some ideas of what you could use the weekly page for if you were to get this digital planner. So I did a mix of writing and also using some stickers, which these are also available in the description if you'd like to purchase them. So the design of this weekly page is again that split view, which has Sunday through Wednesday on the left and Thursday through Saturday on the right, with an extra column all the way to the right for you to write notes or anything you want to put there. And then also at the bottom, there's check boxes and lines in case you want to put down any tasks. So here's that left side page zoomed in. I have a smaller rectangle up top and a longer rectangle underneath. And so I added these stickers as headers above these rectangles. And I'm going to move one of them just to show you what's underneath. So I'm going to pick my lasso tool and I'm going to tap on my sticker and use my Apple Pencil to move it out the way. And as you can see, there is the word Sunday under there, but I decided to use the sticker and just cover it up. And so I did that so that you'd be able to see, one, how you can decorate your planner, and two, how these stickers can be used. So I'm just going to hit the undo button so I can put that sticker back where it was. And then I used the different stickers for the rest of the days of the week. And so again, in these little rectangles, I kind of put different things that you can put within them. So in this first one, I put breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The second one, I put there's a meeting at 10 a.m. Tuesday, I put a work schedule. Wednesday, I put non-negotiables for today. Thursday, I put book, flight, and hotel. Friday, I put in the weather. Saturday, I put in today I am grateful for. And in this last box, I put one of the checkbox stickers. And with any of the stickers, you can use either the pen tool or the highlighter if you need to fill it in or mark something off. So I picked the pen tool again. And if you need to check something off, you can definitely just check right in the boxes. And then I put a couple other stickers that you could also use as well. This one here is kind of like a frame. And again, you could write inside of here. You could put a picture in here if you wanted to make it look like an actual picture frame. So this sticker would be used if you want to make a list of things that you need to do. You would just put the sticker there and then right next to it, whatever task or thing you need to do for that day. So I also made some digital stickers that are pre-cropped and made for Goodnotes. So I'm just going to show you how you can take the stickers from here and put them on your digital planner. So you want to make sure you're in the mode where you can select the lasso tool. And so now I'm going to select that. So you tap on the sticker, then you press and hold, and you pick copy. Then I'm going to switch back to my digital planner. And still with the lasso tool selected, I'm going to press and hold. When I press and hold, it brings up some options. So I'm going to click paste. And so you can use this little icon here to resize it, rotate it, and then once you have it the size that you want it to be, you can click and move it. And once you're done moving it, you can tap off of it. And Goodnotes also has stickers that you can use. So if you head to this icon here and scroll at the bottom, it shows you the different sticker collections that Goodnotes has. And then you can add these to your digital planner as well. Once you find the one that you want to use, you just tap on it. And again, that same thing, you can move it around, resize it, or rotate it. And so that's how you would customize your digital planner. So now I'm going to show you how to add and duplicate pages. So you can actually do this a couple of ways. So this is the last page in the planner. If I move this page to the left, it's going to duplicate this page. So if you see here, it said pull to add page, and now it's saying release to add page. So it's going to duplicate this page right here. And so here we have another one of those pages, and then it just inserted a blank copy of that page. Another way you can add or duplicate pages, if you go to this icon here, whichever page you're looking to duplicate, click on the little arrow next to the number, and it gives you a few options. You can add page before, add page after, or duplicate. So if you want to duplicate this page, you would just hit duplicate. If you click add page before or after, it'll give you some pages that you could add. You could add the current template or any of the other Goodnotes pages. And another way you can add a page is if you click on this icon here, and again, you can add the page before, after, or make it the last page. And again, you can use the current template, which is this weekly page, or you can add a different page. So I'm just going to add in dotted paper. And so here's the dotted paper. And this dotted paper is not the same size as this page. I just wanted to show you that you could add different pages to your planner. So this concludes the video on how to use my digital planner in Goodnotes. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Check the description box for the full tutorial on how I created this digital planner, as well as the stickers, and if you want to get this digital planner for yourself. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy planning!